What's going on, guys? It's Andy here. Welcome back to another episode on Painfully Honest Advice. I'm excited for this video and share with you guys all the different cryptocurrencies that I currently own. This is going to be an exclusive behind the scenes. I'm not going to be like other YouTubers and give you guys different percentages. We're going to go ahead and dig right into it, share with you guys all the different platforms that I go ahead and use and the amount of cryptocurrency and the dollar amount that I have in each one of these cryptocurrencies. So I've been investing in cryptocurrency since about 2020, and I started right around March actually. Since the pandemic happened, I actually started dollar cost averaging at that time. And I'm gonna go ahead and reveal my full portfolio, share with you guys all the different investments that I have, the ones that I started investing in early on, and how I've expanded into multiple other ones. At this point, guys, I have about 7 different cryptocurrencies that I do go ahead and invest in. I like to focus on use case scenarios, so cryptocurrencies that actually have a use behind them, as opposed to some of the ones that are still up and coming or some of the DeFi ones that are out there. But we'll go ahead, jump right into it. Now, if you are new to investing and you're looking at investing in cryptocurrency, I'll share with you guys the different platforms that I like to go ahead and use, all the pros and cons behind these platforms as well. Additionally, guys, if you are investing, this is very risky investment. This is not financial advice. This is purely the investments that I have in cryptocurrency. So I'm going to share with you guys exactly what I have. Invest at your own risk, because any one of these investments can go up a lot overnight and can also drop a lot overnight. So it's a very risky investment. And additionally, my last suggestion around investing in cryptocurrency is going to be to dollar cost average. Don't go all in, never FOMO, because when you start losing money, you're going to go ahead and pull out at the worst time. Invest a certain amount every single day, every single month, and just grow that actual position over time. And that's how I started, and I still to this day go ahead and dollar cost average every single week. And I just want to go ahead and keep growing my position in regards to all the cryptocurrencies that I currently own. But let's go ahead, jump into it. I am going to go ahead and show you guys the different cryptocurrencies and different platforms on my phone. Now, the first one is going to be with Gemini. Now, here's the thing with Gemini, this is actually one of the platforms that I just started investing with. I did prior to this use Coinbase, but I switched over to Gemini because they introduced the earn feature. Basically, with Coinbase, and we'll go ahead and jump into Coinbase as well because I do have a cryptocurrency still on Coinbase, but with Gemini, with the earn feature, you're actually earning. And I'll show you guys how much I'm actually earning on a day-to-day basis with Gemini. So the different investments with Gemini, guys, this is just overall the different cryptocurrencies that you can go ahead and invest in with Gemini. I only have 3 different cryptocurrencies that I have with Gemini. So if we go ahead, jump into my portfolio, I'm just gonna purely break it down, share with you guys exactly what I have here. My current value in this portfolio is $313,738 currently. Now, right now, I have 3 different investments with Gemini. So the first one is gonna be in Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin, my current value is sitting at $284,402. As far as if we go ahead and look at the price of Bitcoin, just in the last day, the price did drop. Not sure where the price is going to be. It's very, very speculative and it's very volatile as well. So it did go down a lot. It went down about 3% just in the last day. And in the last week, we're still up about 4.52%. But now, as far as my actual position goes, I do have 4.65 Bitcoin at this time with a current value of right around $284,000. Personally, investing in any type of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is the one that I believe every single person should have at least a certain amount in. If you can go ahead and build this position over time, even investing $200, let's say a month, build that position, because Bitcoin purely is like gold 2.0 in my opinion. I believe this whole asset class and what Bitcoin has introduced with the blockchain is not going anywhere anytime soon, and this is going to be an asset class that's going to be here for the next 100+ years. So I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. That's why majority of my position is in Bitcoin. But now jumping into the next one, that's going to be Ethereum. Now, Ethereum, I don't actually have a lot of coins at this point. I have 8 coins in Ethereum with a current value of $19,118. I do like Ethereum as well. Ethereum has its own use because you can go ahead and create your own DeFi platforms through Ethereum. And it's basically a software that lets you go ahead and create things on. I like Ethereum because it's letting people go ahead and do different projects. Anybody that wants to go ahead and create or develop something, that's what Ethereum's really used for. Currently, Ethereum is sitting at $2,374 at the time of recording this video. And in the last week, it's up about 14%, but just in the last day, it was down about 3.74%. So as far as Ethereum goes, my current value is sitting at $19,082. Very bullish on this one as well. As far as just ranking these cryptocurrencies, Ethereum is the second one that I'm very bullish on. Now, the third one that I'm very bullish on is going to be with Gemini as well, and that's going to be Chainlink. Now, Chainlink, I started investing in this really early on as well. Currently, I have 256 Chainlinks. I do have a value of $10,106. As far as Chainlink goes, I actually started investing in this really early on. It was under $10. I remember it was around $6 or $7, I think, when I started investing in Chainlink. And currently, guys, it's up over 1,000% just in the last 1 year. In the last 1 week, it's up 23%. In the last day, it's down about 10%. So Chainlink is another platform that I like to go ahead and use. And basically with Chainlink, you can go ahead and transfer data from the real world to the blockchains. Basically, you can go ahead and create smart contracts with Chainlink. So I do like Chainlink because as more and more people are jumping onto the blockchain networks, if you want to go ahead and transfer real data from everyday use, Chainlink is a way to go ahead and do that, and it is a decentralized network. But these are basically the three cryptocurrencies that I have with Gemini, and the reason why I switched over to Gemini is because of this earn feature. Gemini actually had introduced the earn feature with blockchain's interest rate at over 3%, but recently, just in the last week or so, they reduced it down to 2%. But still, it's still better to have 2% in my opinion and be earning interest. So if you are investing, personally, I like the idea of earning interest because I'm already making this investment. It's giving me more cash flow to go ahead and reinvest that money right into the cryptocurrencies or to take that money and reinvest it somewhere else. So I do like the idea if you're able to go ahead and stake your coins and earn some interest, or just having that interest earn feature. Now, right now, since I actually transferred over my assets from Coinbase to Gemini, the total interest that I've earned is $655.70. In Bitcoin, I'm earning 2.05% interest. In Ethereum, I'm earning 3.05% interest. And then in Chainlink, I'm earning 4.46%. Now, there are other cryptocurrencies that you can invest in and earn up to 7% interest. But now, if we go ahead and jump into the second platform that I already talked about, which I personally do really like, and I own their stock as well because they just recently had their IPO, that's going to be with Coinbase. Now, Coinbase, I believe, it's one of the simplest platforms to go ahead and use. And guys, I actually started investing with Coinbase and I really enjoy Coinbase, but they're still behind on some of their features. I wish they introduced the earn feature where you can actually earn some interest on your money or on your cryptocurrencies while sitting there. And that was the main reason why I actually transferred over to Gemini. But I will say, as soon as Coinbase goes ahead and gets that earn feature, I'm gonna probably transfer everything back from Gemini. And the reason why I really like Coinbase is because the platform is just a lot simpler to go ahead and use. It's really user-friendly and beginner-friendly, and you can have all the different assets that you can't even trade with Coinbase on your favorites, meaning that you can actually watch the different assets of the different cryptocurrencies that Coinbase doesn't even let you go ahead and buy yet, but you can watch them and favorite them and create a watch list around those. Now, as far as my portfolio with Coinbase goes, I actually only have one main cryptocurrency, and that's going to be Cardano. Now, Cardano, I personally really like this asset. I have 2,500 Cardanos, and my current value is $3,438. Basically, guys, with Cardano, it's another blockchain platform that focuses on proof of stake as opposed to proof of work with Ethereum. This platform and this blockchain network is still being introduced, meaning that it is being still completed. And as more and more people are jumping on the different blockchain networks out there, I believe Cardano is going to have a use case as well, and it's going to be used widely. Now, I do like the actual owner of, or not the owner, I should say the co-founder or the founder of Cardano. He was actually one of the co-founders for Ethereum, and his name's Charles Hodgkinson. I'm hoping I'm saying that correctly. But in any case, I've watched many of his videos on YouTube, and I do believe in him and basically what he's trying to do with proof of stake. It's something that costs a lot less than proof of work, as well as he has all the same features that Ethereum offers, but he's actually thought through additional features that he does believe that Ethereum should have, and he introduced his own platform, and that's Cardano. So that's gonna be the main one, guys, but I do have a little bit of Bitcoin, or just $1 in Bitcoin in here. Now let's go ahead and jump into the next one. The next one is actually gonna be with Kraken. Now, Kraken is another trading platform, and with Kraken, you can go ahead and actually stake your coins, and that's the reason why I like using Kraken. Plus, some of the other cryptocurrencies that Coinbase and GEMINI don't offer, you can actually get them on Kraken. Now, Kraken isn't as easy of a platform to go ahead and use. You actually do have to go ahead and invest through their platform on the computer, and you can go ahead and have their app, but it's just not as user-friendly as some of the other apps out there. Now, with Kraken, I basically only have one cryptocurrency, and that's gonna be Polkadot. Now, if we go ahead and look with Kraken, I have 100 Polkadots, or dots as you call it, and my current value is sitting at $4,158.06 in this portfolio with Kraken. Now, Polkadot was started by another co-founder that actually started Ethereum, and his name is Gavin Wood. He was basically another co-founder of Ethereum, and he started Polkadot. Basically, with Polkadot, you can go ahead and transfer information from one blockchain to another blockchain. And I believe this is gonna have a huge use case as well. So I am investing in Polkadot, and this is one of the newest investments that I actually got into just in the beginning of this year. So guys, this is gonna be the 5th cryptocurrency that I have, and this is basically a decentralized cryptocurrency as well. And now let's go ahead and jump on to the next platform. We got 2 more platforms and basically 2 more cryptocurrencies here. The next one is gonna be one that's probably not the easiest platform to go ahead and use, and that's gonna be with Bit4x. Basically with Bit4x, the reason why I actually started using this platform is because I wanted to go ahead and invest in a cryptocurrency that I can buy on any other platform that's much easier to use, simply put. So with Bit4x, I do have one investment, and with Bit4x, guys, I personally wouldn't recommend this platform unless you're looking at buying a cryptocurrency where you cannot go ahead and buy it on any other platform. So in this, I actually own one asset, and that's gonna be the OMI coin. Basically, guys, with the OMI coin, it's a licensing play on NFTs. There's a lot of other YouTubers that have talked about this as well and investing in OMI. There's also a lot of celebrities that are getting into the OMI coin, and that's because OMI is a licensing play, and the founder of OMI and their director of licensing are the ones that actually brought Pokemon to North America. So it's a big play on if OMI gets the licensing for Pokemon or for Yu-Gi-Oh! Or for some of the other bigger players out there, the bigger brands out there, this could be huge. Now, as far as OMI goes, I have 256,144 coins. I bought these coins right around 7 to 10 cents a piece, and right now my portfolio is sitting at a value of $2,001. So I'm a little bit down right now because OMI is trading right around that 7 cents currently. But this is another one that I'm just looking to hold on to for the long term. If they can get one of these solid licensing deals with NFTs, I do think this is going to be a huge play in the crypto market. And now, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the final one. And the final one is going to be a cryptocurrency that was created just for fun. And that's going to be with Dogecoin. Dogecoin recently has actually been exploding. It is above and currently sitting at 37 cents. It actually crossed 40 cents at one point. Now, as far as with Dogecoin, I do own this with Robinhood. I actually started investing in Dogecoin when it was at 0.003 cents. I made a video on that and I started investing at that time. And since then, I've bought it here and there when I've seen a dip, but I currently own 70,000 Dogecoins, and my average cost, I believe, is right around 9 cents, but I'll show you guys that in a second. So currently with Dogecoin, it did hit all-time highs. Let's see how high it went, and that was just earlier in the day today, and it actually went as high as 47 cents. Oh, whoa, I did not realize it went that high, but it went as high as 47 cents. But currently, Dogecoin is sitting at right around 37 cents. I do believe this is gonna go ahead and correct itself. I don't see it lasting I'm hoping it stays right around 20 cents, but you never know, because this cryptocurrency is probably the one that I started investing in just for fun. This is not one of the ones that I would personally go ahead and recommend, but at the end of the day, it is a cryptocurrency that I do have in my portfolio, so I want to make sure I share that with you guys. So my current position, guys, is I have a quantity of 70,000 Doge coins, and I am up overall about 320%, or about $20,000, and my average cost at this point is about 9 cents because I've been dollar cost averaging into Doge coin as well. But guys, these are basically gonna be all the different cryptocurrencies that I have and all the different platforms that I personally go ahead and use. The ones that I'm gonna be dollar cost averaging and investing more and more every single weekend is gonna be in Bitcoin and in Ethereum. Those are my two main focuses that I like to go ahead and dollar cost average in. If I have some money that I want to go ahead and I see a dip in something else, I'll go ahead and put a little bit of money in that. But usually on a week-to-week basis, I'm just investing in those two as the main cryptocurrencies, because the use case for both of those I am very, very bullish on for the long term. And I do believe as this asset class grows, Bitcoin and Ethereum are guaranteed to go ahead and grow. But at the same time, I do want to go ahead and say that it is still very risky. So don't invest more than what you can afford to lose in any one of these cryptocurrencies. But I hope you guys found this video useful. I wanted to go ahead and just be fully transparent, reveal my full portfolio. A lot of YouTubers talk about their portfolio and talk about different percentages, but they never actually show you what they have. So I do hope you guys found it useful, and all I ask, guys, is if you don't mind smashing that like button as this video gets in front of more people, and it helps the channel out and helps me out a ton. But thank you again, guys, for watching. If you are interested in investing, I will leave a link for Gemini and for Coinbase. Those are personally my two favorite platforms that I would recommend a new beginner to go ahead and get started with. But I'm gonna leave it at that for this video. I will see you guys at the next one.